How's it going? We're here tearing a triple tree apart on the 250. So I've got them parts in. Got a new bottom. And this is some of the reason why we is replacing that. That thing is sheared off. I'll watch that come around there. It should stop about probably right in there. Yeah, we're replacing that. Not just that. Let's see. Let's see if we can. You hear that? That's actually about 1/8 of an inch play in that front coming out of them steering bearings. So we have all new bearings on here. Yay! Got the other one already dropped on there. If you don't know the trick, press whatever unit you want to be smaller in a cold device like fridge, freezer, more like the freezer, deep freeze for about 4 hours. Get that metal nice and cold, and then take the part you want hot and don't over torch it. I usually put it on a pan and torch from the bottom, warming the pan up with the lid, containering it, then let it sit there for a little bit, torch it again, let it sit there for a little bit. When I pull it out of there, make sure you have a glove on, because you could burn yourself. And pull the deal out of the freezer, set it there nice and hot. Usually it will drop right in if it's an insert, or right over the shaft if it's a shaft. I mean, you're dealing with microscopics of 0.100 of a inch. And if everything's right, then it should just ching. Nice solid thump at the bottom, and we're gonna go from there. I pull all this stuff off. I may have got it down here. Kind of looks like I did. So I finally dropped these KYBs all the way back to soft, and I finally got a soft enough suspension in the front, but I'm gonna have to find a spring for the rear end of this bike, because it's like a 250-pound spring, and I'm only 160, so I get a really good pogo stick feeling out of the rear end. Yes, so we're gonna get to work. Hopefully you'll catch some of this. Find me a stand here, post up, and we're gonna tear this baby apart. So chill out. As you can see, we get this all tore apart. Not down on anybody. You gotta get these things bueno, good and tight. We got a couple different kinds of grease here. Missing your top dust seal. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little wall. Back here with you? Yeah. Inch and 7/16. Ready to hammer. And we do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to use precision. For it. Works. If you think it needs extra grease, go ahead and try to shove more extra grease in it. It's not going to hurt nothing. What, you shove it on through and you maybe pack a hole you didn't get. supposed to have a spinner tool for that. What you want anyways is to bring it down tight. You don't want to get it too tight because then it just becomes a nightmare. Still get a little teeny bit more to the left because that metal shank up here has been hit. So I do have I like that. Top. Well, it's back together. So, and boy, it feels better too. So much solid, just solid. So, thumbs up on that. I have to crank this thing around here. And we got a clutch. We got out of Highland Cycles hookup. We are trying a Tusk. No, yeah, it's made in Taiwan, and it's cheap. But you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. This is the whole reason we're gonna Tusk springs, Tusk clutch and plates. I'm gonna redo this whole thing. Yeah. So we're gonna give a Tusk clutch a try, and that will be the next video. So catch y'all later.